The Samsung 65-inch class OLED features a panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and an aspect ratio of 16:9. The pixel density is approximately 67 pixels per inch, which results in a relatively low pixel count of around 25 million. The display uses Samsung's quantum dot technology to enhance color accuracy. However, this comes at the cost of increased power consumption during high brightness settings. One notable design flaw is the placement of the USB ports and HDMI connections on the back of the TV, which can obstruct cable management and make setup more difficult. Additionally, the lack of a VESA mounting system makes it less suitable for installation in custom home theaters. The TV's brightness output reaches 800 nits, making it suitable for use in well-lit rooms. However, this also means that images may appear washed out during intense sunlight exposure. In terms of sound quality, the built-in speakers are adequate but lack the depth and nuance required for a truly immersive viewing experience. The Samsung 65-inch class OLED runs on Android TV 12, which provides access to various streaming services. However, some users have reported issues with app availability and performance on this particular model. Overall, the Samsung 65-inch class OLED offers a solid viewing experience but is marred by design flaws and limitations in certain areas such as brightness and sound quality.